Okay, clip 68, multiplying fractions 1. So we've just done, the previous task was 67, which was multiplying by a whole number, and we used the methods that we used for multiplying fractions. So for 68, evaluate 5/12 times 3/4. So first of all, evaluate means work out an answer to. It's not a special word, it just means work out an answer. So to multiply fractions, you just times the top, times the bottom. That's the key fact you need to know. So times the top numbers, times the bottom numbers, or the denominators, and then simplify. So 5 times 3 is 15, and then 12 times 4 is 48. So the answer is 15 over 48, but it asks us to give it in its simplest form. So can we simplify this? Well, what goes into 15 and 48? Right, 2 doesn't go in, because 2 doesn't go into 15 because it's an odd number. What about 3? We can divide that by 3 and we get 5. Can we divide 48 by 3? Well, let's see. Let's use a bus stop. 3 goes into 4 once, 1 left over. 3 goes into 18 6 times, so we can. So it'll be 16 on the bottom. There's nothing else that goes into 5 and 16, so there's your answer. Second one. Once you've got your head round mixed numbers, you should be able to challenge this, attack this type of question. So 1 and 2/3. Well, you should know now that that is the same as 1 times 3 plus 2. That's 5/3. Times by 8 times 2 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. So multiply the times across, 5 times 21 and 3 times 8. So 5 times 21 is 105 over 3 times 8, which is 24. Now the hard bit here is the simplifying, not the multiplying. So I would, if I were you, cancel down and then change it into a mixed number. If the question gives you as a mixed number, your answer should be as a mixed number as well. So does 3 go into 105? 2 doesn't because it's an odd number. Does 3 go into 105? 3 goes into 1, doesn't go. Into 10 goes 3 times, 1 left over. 3 into 15 goes 5. So we could divide by 3, top and bottom. That makes 35 over 24 divided by 3 is 8. Right, can anything else go in? So 2 doesn't go in, 3 doesn't go in, 5 doesn't go into both. That's a multiple of 7 but won't go into there. So let's put this into a mixed number now. How many 8s go into 35? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's left over from 32 to 35? That's 3. So 4 and 3/8 is the final answer. The more you can practice these, get the skills sorted before you go further up the school. It'll help you towards your GCSE.